Let's take a quiz on birds based on the NSW syllabus. Let's see the first question. Dash and dash have long thin legs to wade through water. Your options are crane and flamingo, eagle and hawk, duck and vulture, hen and crow. Your time starts now. Your time is up. The answer is crane and flamingo. See the pictures. They have very long legs and very thin. They are very flexible to wade through water. Let's see the next question. I make a nest with stones and pebbles and live in a very cold place. I am a good swimmer but cannot fly. Who am I? Your options are flamingo, penguin, quail, and eagle. Your time starts now. Time is up. The answer is penguin. Penguin is a flightless bird that lives in Antarctica, which is very cold. Penguins make their nests on the ground with stones and pebbles. Let's see the next question. The nest shown in picture is made by. Your options are owl, weaver bird, hummingbird, and tailor bird. Your time starts now. Time is up. The answer is tailor bird. Let's see how a tailor bird sews its nest. Let's see the next question. Time is up. The answer is true. Hollow bones help the birds to fly. Let's see the next question. Sohail grouped three birds together as shown in the picture. All these are dash birds. Your options are swimming birds, climbing birds, flightless birds, and perching birds. Your time starts now. Time is up. The answer is flightless birds. Let's see the next question. Choose the incorrect statements. All birds can fly. All birds have a beak. All birds have a backbone. All birds have an outer covering of feathers. Most birds lay eggs, while some give birth to their young ones. These five are different statements, but you have to choose the incorrect statements from these five. Let's see the options. Option A 2, 3, 4. Option B 1, 2, and 3. Option C 1 and 5. Option D 2, 3, 4, and 5. Your time starts now. Your time is up. The answer is 1 and 5 statements are incorrect. All birds can fly. This statement is incorrect because not all birds can fly. Example, ostrich and kiwi are flightless birds. And the fifth statement is also incorrect because all birds lay eggs and do not give birth to young ones. Let's see the next question. Which of these birds uses its beak to weave pieces of leaves, grass, and twigs together to build its nest? Your options are ostrich, owl, weaver bird, and none of these. Your time starts now. Your time is up. The answer is S. It's weaver bird. As we have seen in previous video, weaver bird uses its beak to weave pieces of leaves, grass, and twigs together to build its nest. Let's see the next question. The bird whose foot is shown in the given picture can dash. See this picture. It is a webbed feet. Your options are swim, fly, walk, all of these. Your time starts now. Your time is up. The answer is all of these. The picture shows webbed feet. Webbed feet are found in birds like ducks, swans, etc. They can swim, fly, and walk. Let's see the next question. Dash and dash have sharp curved claws called talons. Your options are hawk, hen, eagle and hawk, duck and vulture, hen and crow. Your time starts now. Time is up. Eagle and hawk have sharp curved claws called talons. Let's see the next question. The feathers of a bird dash. Your options are help it to fly, keep it warm, make it attractive, protect the body, and all of the above. Your time starts now. Time is up and the answer is all of the above. Feathers help the bird to fly and feathers keeps it warm and it looks more attractive with the feathers and it protects the body of the bird also.
Please like, share and subscribe CBSC channel.
Crane and flamingo have the long legs and they are very thin to wade through water.